Unraveling Slang. The meaning of wig out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and colorful phrase in English, wig out. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Wig out is a slang phrase that originally comes from American English. It's used to describe someone reacting in an extremely emotional or excitable way, often because they're surprised, scared, or stressed. For example, if someone hears shocking news and starts to panic or behave in a dramatic manner, you could say they are wigging out. This phrase is informal and is mostly used in casual conversations. It's important to note that while it's a playful expression, it should be used carefully, especially in more serious or sensitive situations. The phrase, wig out, has interesting origins. It's believed to have emerged in the 1950s or 1960s in the United States. The wig part of the phrase might refer to the idea of someone's wig coming off in a moment of shock or agitation, symbolizing losing control or composure. Over time, wig out has become a part of everyday language, especially among younger speakers. Let's look at a few examples to understand better how wig out is used. 1. After hearing the loud noise, she completely wigged out, thinking it was a burglar. 2. I totally wigged out during the exam. I couldn't remember anything I had studied. 3. In the movie, the character wigs out when he realizes he's lost in a foreign city. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to convey a sense of overreaction or losing one's cool in a surprising or stressful situation. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this phrase. For instance, wigging out, present continuous form, e.g., she's wigging out about the wedding plans. Wigged out, past tense, e.g., he wigged out when he saw the bill. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts and tenses. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, wig out. It's a fun and expressive part of the English language that can add some flair to your conversations. Remember, it's best used in casual settings and with a sense of playfulness. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more exciting insights into English phrases and idioms in our upcoming videos. Happy learning!